Did all the interior lights on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35 go off like that? Well, hey, don't worry. The problem is probably just a bad fuse, and the good thing is we have a spare fuse. So let me show you how to fix it so your lights can come back on like that. So open the driver's side door, and right where the parking brake lever is, down there, that's where you access the fuse panel from. So first we need to take that cover off. So press it down there and the cover comes off. Now behind the cover there, that's where the fuse diagram is. We're going to keep on referring to it throughout this whole video. So get the fuse puller out and look at the fuse diagram there, and you can see clearly there's a 10 amp fuse. It says room lamp. That's the one for the interior lamps. So put the fuse puller on it. It should go on like that and pull it out. Once you pull the fuse out, you should be able to tell if it's a good fuse or a bad fuse. Look at the picture over here on the bottom right corner. The left side fuse is a bad one and the right side is a good one. So you should be able to tell the difference by looking at it. If your fuse is bad, there's a 10 amp spare fuse on the very right corner of the fuse box. The one I just pulled out right there. And you can see I'm not able to get the fuse out from the front of the fuse puller. It only comes out from the back side. That's just the way it's designed. And that's a good thing, so that way you don't unintentionally drop the fuse. So get that spare fuse, put it in the same place where the original fuse went, and let's see what happens to the lights. Lights are back on. That looks good, right? See how simple that whole fix was? Now let's not forget to put that cover back on, align the clips like that, and push it in, and that's pretty much it.